First of all, thank you to give me this opportunity. Like my assignment is about micro Instagram backend instance for the post of backend instance. So I will go with the flow. So first topic of my assignment is create a user model and they create a post model with the ID, title, description, user ID, like image and post count. So we have everything like post, we can user ID and everything. And in usages, we have everything like address, post count, name, mobile number, like you mentioned, anything in that. Next, you give me the topic of like add following guest API to get all the post of user, create a post for user, edit a post of user, delete a post of user, get all users and get all post. So my all APIs are here, where I have first API of getting all the users, which is the get API. Then second is get all the post to get all the post, and third API is post API to create a post for a user, and fourth API is put API to edit a post, and my sixth API is the get API to to get a specific user post, and my last API is to delete a post API. So like we have seeders here, like I also have generated the like this is my user.js, like how it is generated, and this is my demo users which I have filled like this, and this is my demo posts. So like I gave it here. So lastly, we will talk about like how these all APIs are working. So if we talk about migration, so migration are there like how my user migrate, or secondly is how my post migrate. So this is there. Okay, my server is running, so we will go. Firstly, we will check the database GUI. So you mentioned also about the uh, GUI part. So I have Beaver, if you remember of database Beaver or the Beaver. So like in this we have like post, like database development where we have post and the columns are this, like you, and like you mentioned to images, user ID, description ID, all of the things you have mentioned I have there. And after that you also mentioned the user database, so we will check here. This is the user data: ID, name, mobile number, address, post count, and created at and updated at, like date and time. So after that, we will go how APIs are working. So we will going to the test the APIs. I already tested. I will going to show you. Okay, these are the all APIs. Then we will go first API. This is the API to get all the users. So we will run it. It will send, and this is the users. My all users are there. And my second API is to get all the post. We will run it, and this will all the posts are there. We will go with third API, which is a GAT API, which is both last both API was also GAT API. This is also GET API. This is the user specified post. Like this is the user specified post. We will send it, and it will we will get the response. So this is the our user specified post. So after that we have post API, which is used to create like a post. So we will go with that. This is ID 20, like another is created, that's why it is showing ID 20, like how many we are calling that. Okay, so this is put API, and my put API is like uh, which is we used to which we used to uh, get my like what what will we it say, like edit a post. So this is my put API to edit a post. So we will send it, and like we edit the post. So like time and date is changing. After that, deleted API. Like if we want to delete a API, like user one post, like I can send it, and this is deleted. That's why delete API does not show anything because it is already deleted. And I think this is all the thing I will go through this full of assignment. I fulfill all the requirement you have mentioned in your assignment. And thank you for this. Thank you for this opportunity. I will firstly, for closing this video, I will going to show you a README file how I mentioned the GitHub repo. So this is my GitHub repo. This is my GitHub repo. So I mentioned, like this is my Instagram, p-security, like we need Node.js, MySQL, DB web Postman, dependency installations, migrations, and API endpoint for like CDOL, and how I get the users all, how I get the all post, how I get the specify user post, how I get the edit existing edit an existing post, and how I get the all post of a specific user, and how to delete a post and everything. Like I mentioned, it get all the user, get all the post, create a post, write a post, post write like my local host, because I'm using the local host, that's why I mentioned it there. And if anyone is not like using the local host, so that's I also mind endpoints here. And after that, just I said about how I'm error handling. That's the finish of my project. So thank you very much.